News making the headlines. Partially eaten body of missing woman discovered. Westmoreland man killed after parking vehicle in churchyard. Female constable charged in St. Elizabeth rape robbery case. Now for the news in details. A St. Catherine woman's partially decomposed body was discovered on Valentine's Day in the parish. Police identified the victim as 56-year-old Angela Buchanan, also called Imo, of Union District in Louidasville, St. Catherine. Police reports are that residents discovered the body at about 4 p.m. on Tuesday and summoned the police. When the police arrived, they found that animals had eaten parts of the woman's hands, stomach, and face. Buchanan's sister reported her missing to the Shady Grove police station last Thursday. A man was gunned down moments after parking his vehicle on a church compound at Gordon District in White House, Westmoreland on Tuesday evening. Dead is 39-year-old Ordell Solomon, a truck driver from the community. Reports are that Solomon had just arrived home and parked his white Isuzu motor truck at White House Church of God of Prophecy compound when a blue Toyota Oxio drove up and stopped behind him. A man alighted from the car and opened gunfire at Solomon. Solomon then alighted from his truck and ran into his yard, where he was chased by the lone gunman, who continued firing at him. Reports are that Solomon then collapsed in a section of his yard, and the gunman escaped in the same blue Toyota Oxio motor car in the direction of Bluefields. Solomon was rushed to the Black River Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. No motives have yet been established for the killing, stated the police. A female police constable has been charged in connection with an ongoing investigation of rape and robbery, allegedly committed by another member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF) in Black River, St. Elizabeth on Monday, January 30.